Uganda's AstraZeneca vaccines manufactured by Serum Institute, India, have been received at Entebbe International Airport. The vaccines against COVID-19 were flown in aboard the Fly Emirates Boeing 777-300 extended-range aircraft from India. Health Minister Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng, flanked by the World Health Organization country representative, Minister of Health officials, and members of the diplomatic corps, were in place to officially receive the vaccines. The COVAX facility has allocated 3,552,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine to Uganda.
Although it is only 2% of Uganda's current need, that this 864,000 doses we received today, it is the first step to protect the most at-risk and crucial part of our population.
Uganda targets to inoculate 49.6% of the population in a phased manner, and each phase is planned to cover 20% of the population.
Uganda is fully prepared to launch and start utilizing the vaccines starting on the 10th of March 2021. We will use our tested strength of decentralized health services to deliver the vaccines to the target populations in a record time.
The first phase of the free vaccination will target health workers in public and private facilities, security personnel, teachers, persons aged 50 years and above, and those with underlying health conditions. The UNICEF representative in Uganda revealed that the arrival of this batch marks an important milestone for Uganda in the fight against the deadly virus.
With the vaccines arriving today, we do expect that the change is going to happen. The return to a new normal that would allow the economy to flourish again.
Members from the diplomatic corps who were present at this receiving ceremony also promised unrelenting support to ensure equitable access of the vaccines across the region.
The firm belief in this principle that the UK was one of the first to back the COVAX facility, because we want a global solution to this global pandemic. And thanks to a huge international effort from all these people that you see around you, that I'm really pleased to say that the UK and the rest of the world is now starting to move towards the end of this pandemic.
So far, Team Europe has provided more than 2.2 billion euros, or nearly 10 trillion Uganda shillings, in commitments to secure equitable access for all countries to ensure that everyone who needs a vaccine gets it anywhere in the world.
The quick spread of this horrible disease from country to country showed how interconnected we all are. And the strong presence here today from the Ugandan government and the international community reinforces that a global challenge like COVID-19 requires a global response. That is why we're here today in a spirit of cooperation, working together with Uganda and international partners.
COVAX is a COVID-19 vaccine global access initiative launched by the World Health Organization to ensure vaccine access to the world's most vulnerable.
After close to a year of disruptions ushered in by the COVID-19 pandemic, many countries are now looking at total annihilation of the virus, and the rolling out of vaccines across the world heralds a return to normal. Samuel Senono, UBC News, Entebbe International Airport.